Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar today. My name is Emmanuel, Partnership Advisor ako dito sa Odoo, Hong Kong. Ito po si Danica. She's the Business Advisor here at Odoo, and we'll be discussing to drive the customer success today. So the presentation today will be around 20-30 minutes. Tapos may time tayo mag question Q&A. And also, if you have any questions, and you can also type on the chat box. So yeah, why don't we get started today? Danica, over to you. Thank you.
So, magandang umaga. First off, I'd like to introduce myself. So, ako nga si Danica, Business Advisor here in Odoo. Yung main responsibility ko is to recommend the best way for you and our clients to use Odoo. Ngayon, mag-introduction lang ako para at least alam nyo kung ano yung background ng Odoo. Odoo is an all-in-one business management software. So, yung software is built with business apps na pwede nyong gamitin in one platform. So, imbes na gumagamit kayo ng iba't ibang software na hindi integrated, sa Odoo, lahat connected. So, makikita nyo dito, yung apps namin na-cover halos lahat ng aspects ng iyong business. Kasama na yung sales, accounting, marketing, and inventory. So, pwede nyo yan i-explore sa website namin. So, Odoo is actually a Belgian company. So, nag-start kami 12 years ago. We're here in the Hong Kong office. So, kami nag-handle ng Asia-Pacific region. But you can see here now, we actually have 7 offices around the world. Ito yung CEO namin, si Fabian. And dito sa Hong Kong office, minamanage namin yung sales and services in Asia Pacific. All over the world, we have more than 3 million users and 1,000 installations per day. So, mabilis na-grow yung Odoo over the past 4 years. Pero 12 years na kaming in operation. Makikita niyo dito yung mga clients na gumagamit ng Odoo ngayon. Since very flexible yung solution, pwede siyang gamitin ng large enterprises and small to medium-sized businesses at the same time. So yung topic today is customer satisfaction, and yung main app na i-discuss ko is Odoo Helpdesk. Yung focus ko for today is to show you kung paano nyo pwedeng i-offer yung support services nyo in multiple ways using Odoo. Mainly, that would be via email, website form, and live chat. Papakita ko rin kung paano nyo pwedeng i-automate yung pag-assign ng support tickets to your teams. Meron din kaming ways for you to track your support service, so I'll touch on that as well. Panghuli, papakita ko kung paano nyo pwedeng i-track yung performance ng team nyo. So, gamit yung reports, SLAs, and other tools na pwede nyong gamitin in Odoo. Ito yung database na ginawa ko for this demo. Dito sa dashboard, makita nyo lahat ng apps na in-install nyo na. Actually, pwede nyong i-check yung App Store para makita yung iba pang apps na pwede nyong gamitin in Odoo. Ngayon, sa database na to, ako yung administrator. So, pwede kong i-access lahat ng data in the database. Pero syempre, pwede nyong i-set yung user right ng lahat ng teams ninyo. So, again, yung focus is Helpdesk. So, ito yung dashboard ko. Unang-una kong makikita yung dalawang teams na kinreate ko before yung demo na to. So, for this specific case, meron akong support team for customers and meron din akong internal support team. So, pwede kong i-separate yung tickets na nakuha ko from internal users or maybe within the company, and yung nakuha ko from customers. So, it's actually up to you kung paano nyo gustong i-set yung support teams ninyo. Napakadaling i-create yung helpdesk teams dito sa configuration. So, makita nyo na meron ng nakaset na email automatically for these helpdesk teams. It's up to you din kung gusto nyong palitan yung email na yan, pero automatically, i-generate ng Odoo yan for you. So, pag naka-create na kayo ng helpdesk team, pwede nyong iset yung channels na makukuhaan ng support ticket for each team. So, for example, yung support team for customers, sinet ko yung members na ito. So, sample employees lang yan. And then for the assignation method, I set balanced. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, automatic na i-assign ng system yung tickets based on yung workload ng each team member of your team. So, that means kung say yung isang member medyo marami na siyang tickets, hindi niya siya makakuha ng new tickets until ma-resolve yung open tickets niya. So, pwede niyong iset as manual to kung gusto nyong i-check lahat ng ticket na na-receive nyo before assigning it to a team member. Pero kung more or less, alam niyo naman na kahit sino yung maka-receive, ma-resolve nila, and kung medyo marami kayong tickets na na-receive, I would recommend to use the balanced assignation method. Inactivate ko rin yung email as a channel. So, kaya ito yung email address na nakaset for this team. Naka-activate din yung live chat. So, that means sa website ko, pwedeng makipag-chat yung customers with me or any other user na designated for the live chat role and send their support questions there. Okay? Papakita ko kung paano yan magagawa later on. Lastly, inactivate yung website form. So, pwede rin silang mag-submit ng ticket using a form on the website. Meron ding configuration dito for timesheets. This actually links to the timesheets app. Basically, kung gusto nyong i-track kung gaano katagal bago ma-resolve yung isang ticket or kung how much time yung na-spend nung specialist or technical person trying to solve the ticket, pwede yung i-activate to. Dito pwede nyo ring i-set up yung SLA policies nyo and other features that you can activate. So, babalikan ko to mamaya. Okay? So, save lang natin yan. Ngayon, as an administrator, meron akong tickets na naka-assign sa akin actually, just for this case. So, pag inopen ko yung helpdesk, makita ko na agad kung ilan yung tickets na naka-assign sa akin, kung ilan yung high priority tickets, and kung ilan yung urgent tickets. So, yan, merong meaning yung stars na yan, na pwede nyong iset per ticket. Pero, obviously, pwede nyo ring piliin kung paano nyo i-classify yung tickets in your company. So, tingnan natin yung support team na sinetup natin or kinonfigure just now. So, ito yung Kanban view. Makita ko yung stages ng tickets ko. Again, these are default stages, pero pwede nyong i-define yung stage based on how it will usually be resolved in your teams. So, let's say, usually may mga concerns na kailangang i-relay sa technical team. Then, pwede nating ilagay itong block stage na to. So, siguro, merong hinihintay na answer from another team. Pwede natin i-add yan as a stage. And then dito, yung first stage, syempre, dyan papasok lahat ng bagong tickets. So, minention ko na meron tayong live chat, website form, and email as channels. So, depending on kung saan siya galing, kahit saan siya galing, dito siya lalabas sa new. Since automatic yung assignation method ko dito, hindi na ako naglagay ng stage for assign tickets, pero kung manual yung isa-set nyo as assignation method, pwede kayong maglagay ng stage for that para at least alam nyo kung alin yung unassigned na tickets. So, dito, makikita nyo rin na merong ibang tickets na merong nakalink na customer. So, if merong profile or saved information yung customer in your database from your contacts, then pwede siyang mag-appear dun sa ticket. So, for example, ito. It's a ticket na galing kay Jane Doe. So, yung email na yan, actually, itong email na to yun. So, nag-send ako ng email to the email address set in the configuration page. And nag-attach din ako ng image. So, pag chinek natin yung chatter dito, makita ko yung email ng customer and also yung attachment. From here, pwede akong mag-reply actually. So, let's just say naka-assign to sa akin kunwari. Pwede akong mag-ask for more information. Now, kung i-expand ko to, actually, pwede rin akong mag-set ng email templates. So, meron ng templates na default na ina-offer si Odoo dito, pero usually, clients would create their own, syempre. So, for now, send ko muna to. So, refresh natin. Ayan. So, na-receive ni Jane agad yung response ni administrator. So, let's just say na na-resolve na, nakausap ko na si Jane. So, pwede ko tong i-send sa kanya. Ngayon, template ito, kaya medyo set up na siya and may logo pa ng Odoo. Pero like I said, pwede niyo yung i-modify. Basically, rating request siya. So, pwede niyo yung i-set lahat ng members to be subjected for a rating every time nakapag-solve na sila ng ticket. So, pwede ko yung i-send. So, since na-solve ko na siya, pwede ko na siyang i-move dito sa last stage. Ngayon, yung sinend ko na rating request, pwede ko rin i-automate yung pag-send ng email na yun if I want to by setting it in the stage. So, inedit ko lang yung stage and then merong field dyan para makaselect ng email template na automatically masasend sa customer pag na-reach yung stage na to. So, it's up to you again kung paano nyo siya i-classify. Pwede rin namang personalized yung response every time. Okay? Ngayon, gusto ko rin mapakita sa inyo yung iba pang features dito sa view na to. So, actually, pwede nyong i-tag lahat ng tickets based on specific categories or classifications. So, notice dito, merong tag na nakalagay complaint. So, dito, naglagay ako ng tag sa tags. And as I mentioned, lalabas yan sa Kanban view nyo. So, pwede kayo mag-create ng different tags and pwede nyo i-instruct yung support team nyo na i-tag yung tickets kung kailangan yung i-track yung specific tag na to. For example, may recurring issue kayo with a certain item or product and gusto nyo makita kung gaano kalala yung problema. So, pwede kayo mag-create ng tag for that and pwede nyo gamitin yung filter or group by function to check those tags. So, let's say, gusto ko nga i-check yung complaints. Since may tag for that, pwede kong create yung filter for complaints. And then, makita ko na agad. So, that's one important thing na pwede nyong gawin in this view. So, mag-a-appear din siya dyan sa mismong ticket. Additionally, pwede nyong i-select kung ano yung status ng ticket from this view. So, pwede nyo siyang i-mark as block or ready for next stage. Yung colors na yan, pwede nyo ring iset kung ano yung sinisimbolize niya. But siguro kung meron kayong approval levels or meron kayong pending requests from customers, pwede nyo i-mark yung mga tickets na related to that para at least madaling makita from this view kung ano yung kailangang i-check. Also, you can see the priority level na minention ko na kanina sa dashboard. So this is again an easy way to see kung ano yung kailangang i-check agad. Finally, pwede kayong mag-schedule ng activity. So may mga default activity types na kaming sinet dito, pero pwede nyo rin yung iset based on the usual activities na kailangang gawin ng support team members nyo to resolve an issue. So pwede kayong i-schedule for the future. So pag kinlik ko, makita ko na yung planned activity and nag-appear din siya dito. So dito yung mga scheduled activities ko nakalagay. So yung pinaka-relevant is of course yung sa ticket. And yung activities na yan, mag-appear din siya sa loob mismo ng ticket, syempre. Okay? Now, one more thing na pwede nyo gawin with Odoo is to link your support team or support tickets with projects and tasks. So, meron kaming app na ginagamit for project management and nagli-link siya to support so that pwede nyong iselect yung project na relevant to support and pwede rin kayong mag-create ng task na relevant to that specific support team. So, kunwari, merong set tasks na kailangang i-complete or kailangang gawin for a client. Usually, pag may issue sila, pwede nyong i-create yung task na yun beforehand and then i-select yun na lang siya from the ticket. Now, since nag-link siya to project and task, pwede rin kayong mag-record ng timesheets. So, yung timesheets sa Odoo usually, nagli-link yan sa projects and tasks within the project app. So again, kailangan na may task na nakaset. Basically, ilalog nyo lang kung kailan kayo nag-spend ng service hours for this specific ticket. So again, to use this, kailangan may project and timesheets app kayo. Okay? Ngayon, pinakita ko na sa inyo kung paano nyo pwedeng i-assign yung tickets. Gusto ko namang tignan yung different ways na makakollect yung tickets. So, na-mention ko na yung sa email. Ngayon, usually, pag may issue yung customer, check nila sa website kung paano nila ma-resolve yung question. So, given this, pwede kayong mag-create ng website form, just like this. So, dito, outsider yung user na ginagamit ko. Pero again, kung meron kayong customer accounts or kung merong profile yung customer in your database, pwede nyo silang ipag-login para at least automatic na malilink sa customer profile nila yung ticket. So, pwede ko itong i-fill out. Kunwari, new customer ako. Isa-send ko na yan. And so may technical issues tayo, pero kaya natin i-resolve. So, check ko lang kung Okay, so clearly may issues pero let's move along. So yung other method na pwede nyong gamitin para makuha yung ticket is the live chat. So separate app din to in Odoo, pero it's a free app actually, so very useful siya to use with your website. Kasi pwede kayong mag-chat with the visitors. So dito, visitor ako and nag-send na ako ng messages. So tinatanong ko lang si administrator or the other person kung saan ko mahanap yung physical shops nung company. So, pag bumalik ako sa internal database ko, so ito na yung back-end, and ito yung makita ng user in your company, may receive ko yan sa messages. So again, it will depend kung sino yung in charge of the live chat, but since admin nga ako, makita ko lahat yan. So, na-receive ko na yung message ng visitor. Pwede akong mag-reply. So, siguro magkakaroon kayo ng questions na nauulit every time. Pwede kayong mag-create ng responses na predefined actually. So, siguro, type ko na lang yung response ko here. Just one moment. Yan. So, meron akong kinreate na canned response dito for whenever may magtatanong about the locations. So, type ko lang yung colon and then the shortcut, and that response will automatically be generated for me. So, nirefresh ko lang to make sure na mag-appear siya. Ayan. So, ito yung makita ng visitor. So, pwede kayong mag-create ng iba't ibang canned responses that you can use in here. Additionally, pwede nyo nga itong gamitin to create a support ticket. So, all I have to do is create a slash. New ticket. So, ngayon, pag chinek ko yung support dito, refresh lang natin. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, sorry. So, na-create siya pero hindi ko pa pala inassign yung helpdesk team. So, select natin yung support. Notice na yung conversation sa live chat will automatically appear sa description. So, very quickly, makaka-create kayo ng ticket, and kung kayo yung in charge of the live chat, madali nyong mapoprocess lahat ng mga issues or questions na sinasend sa inyo. And yung support teams would be in charge of managing these, of course. So, naka-assign na siya to administrator, which is me. Ngayon, kung nakalink to sa customer, pwede kong i-select yung customer. Pwede ko ring i-set yung ticket type, which is a question. And then follow through with my response in here, like I showed you earlier. Okay? Another note on that, pwede nyo rin itong gamitin for internal communication. So, I think nakita nyo na actually napakadaling mag-type mag-pass ng information within Odoo. So, pwede nyo rin itong gawin within your different forms, kung ticket or task man yan. Pwede kayong mag-tag ng other user to help you resolve the concern. Okay. So, at this point, napakita ko na yung basics kung paano nyo makuha yung tickets nyo using live chat, your website form, and your support email. Pinakita ko na rin kung paano nyo i-manage yung tickets na yun in this view, as well as respond and address your customers' tickets and concerns within the actual ticket. Ngayon, gusto ko ipakita yung reporting functions ng Odoo para at least alam nyo kung paano nyo i-manage lahat yan as a manager or as a CEO, para at least makita nyo kung gaano kabilis mag-respond yung team to customer concerns, kung gaano karami yung tickets na napoprocess per day. So, may iba't ibang tools in Odoo na pwedeng gamitin for this specific purpose. So first, I want to show you the view kung gusto nyo lang makita lahat ng tickets na send sa company nyo. So dito actually finilter ko na siya and gin-group based on assignee. So ito yung mga users na may assigned tickets. Nakita ko agad kung ano yung stage. Yun, pwede ko rin tong i-remove and i-group based on stage. So kung gusto ko lang makita kung gaano karami yung new tickets, so dalawa yan kasi dalawa yung support teams natin. Gusto ko makita yung solve. Madali ko siyang makita dito. Okay? So ito yung undefined na nakuha natin sa live chat. Pero again, pwede ko yung i-assign sa Helpdesk team para mapunta sa stages na to. Also, hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko kanina, pero yung stages nga dun sa Kanban view, pwede nyo siyang i-change per team. So, baka confusing for you kung dalawa yung new stages nyo. So, pwede nyo yung i-rename. I'm not sure lang kung gaano karami yung support teams nyo, pero it shouldn't be that hard to check it from this view. Also, pwede nyo naman siyang i-group by team or i-filter by team. So, pag filter, matatanggal yung ibang tickets na wala sa Helpdesk team na to. So, ayan. Pwede kayong mag-create ng filter for both. So, yung tinong support, konti lang yung tickets. Also, pwede nyong i-save yung filter and group na yan para babalikan nyo na lang siya every time. Kailangan yung i-check yung view na to. Furthermore, meron kaming reporting function that will actually give you views like this. Kung mas visual kayo na person and gusto nyo makita very quickly kung nasan na yung tickets na nakita natin kanina dun sa list view. So dito, naka-classify na siya based on stage and support team. So yung internal support, dalawa yung nasa new na stage. And then yung support team for customers, 4 yung bago, and 4 yung nakasolve. So, yung view na to, available din siya in a line graph and a pie chart. Meron din tayong pivot table na pwedeng gamitin para i-classify yung tickets based on numbers alone. So kung hindi nyo na kailangan makita yung details ng tickets, gusto nyo lang makita yung numbers per stage in a table view, then this is how you can do it. And pwede nyo siyang i-expand based on the different fields in your support ticket. Okay? So let's just say gusto ko tong i-break down based on customer. So yung iba dito meron ng nakaset. So very easy to check. Again, kung may new customers kayo na wala pa sa contacts nyo, it will probably fall in undefined. Yung table na to, pwede nyo siyang i-download as an Excel file. So at least meron kayong offline copy. Okay? So, nakita ko sa chat na meron ng mga questions. So don't worry, I will go into that in just a bit. So the last thing I wanted to show you was yung iba pang features na pwedeng i-activate in your support teams. So, na-mention ko na yung ratings, yung canned responses. Also, pwede kayong mag-set up ng SLA policies. So, kung pinromise nyo sa customer nyo na mag-reply kayo within 24 hours, pwede nyong i-create yan as a policy in your support app, in your Helpdesk app, and in this specific support team. So, ayan, pwede nyo i-choose kung aling team mag-apply. Pwede nyo rin yung i-duplicate dun sa kabilang team later on. So, basically dito, dapat in progress na siya within 24 hours. Ayan, para mas exact. And mag-a-apply siya pag issue yung ticket type. So, pag nilive nyo yan blank, it will just apply to all the tickets. So, this is useful kasi magta-tag yung system kapag na-notice niya na merong tickets na nasa first stage tapos hindi pa na-move sa in progress within these 24 hours. Okay, so pwede niyong i-explore. Pwede rin kayong mag-collect ng tickets from a third-party application. This one is a bit more technical, but it is possible kasi may open API naman yung Odoo. Okay. And then dito, notice na merong nakalagay published on website. Basically, ito yung website form na pwedeng i-access ng customers nyo. Lastly, before I forget, yung ratings na minention natin kanina about solved tickets, pwede yung ma-display for customers' reference para makita nila na okay, yung team na to can be contacted and will respond to me since masaya naman yung customers sa responses nila. Okay? So I think we can proceed to Q&A now.
Great. Thank you, Danica. Thank you, Danica, for that presentation. So right now we have some questions relating to the topic today. Si Ariel Cortez po nagtanong, does it include notification services and has call to action buttons when being notified in Helpdesk? My notification services.
Yung notification ba na to, gusto nyong ma-send sa user or sa customer? Kung sa user, usually, makaka-receive sila ng notification kapag may na-assign na ticket sa kanila. So, ito yung internal users in your companies. Makaka-receive rin sila ng notification pag tinag sila sa ticket. Makaka-receive rin sila ng notification pag naka-receive sila ng email sa ticket na assigned na sa kanila. So, yan yung sa notification services. Call to action buttons, do you mean from the email notification itself? Because if yes, then merong button there to open the ticket. Usually ganun yung mangyayari. Kailangan nilang i-open yung database. Hindi lahat magagawa from the email. And yes, there would be a way for them to access the ticket very quickly.
Thank you, Danica. So ngayon, parang walang bagong questions na related to the topic. Pero if you have any more questions na hindi na-discuss ngayon, you can email Danica at dal@odoo.com or you can email me as well at ela@odoo.com. So na-type ko yung email address ko sa chat at saka yung details mo ngayon.
Yes.
We can show you on the website as well. So anytime you want to watch the video again, you can just go to the link and save it and then watch again. So right now you can see Danica's email details. Pag may questions kayo, then you can also email her as well. At saka you can also book the demo with her. But yeah, thank you for joining us today.